Training your mind to lean into discomfort is the path to unshakable strength. There is a quiet power in discomfort, a sacred tension that stretches the limits of your spirit. It challenges your old stories, your old fears, and your old limitations. Each time you stay present in discomfort, you rewrite what you believe about what you can endure. The mind often whispers to retreat when pain arrives. But resilience demands you speak louder. This too is part of my story. This mindset is a declaration: I will not be broken by what I face. I will be strengthened by it. When you face discomfort, acknowledge it, name it, feel it. Do not numb it or run from it. In this presence, the mind finds its true power to withstand, to adapt, and to grow beyond what was thought possible. Every discomfort carries a lesson. It teaches patience when you feel rushed. It teaches humility when you feel prideful. It teaches faith when you feel lost. When your mind welcomes these lessons, you cultivate resilience. Notice how resilience is not a sudden gift, but a muscle built through repeated acts of courage. Each uncomfortable moment you endure strengthens your capacity to face the next. Your mind becomes like steel, flexible yet unbreakable. In discomfort, your mind learns the art of surrender, not giving up, but yielding to the moment's reality without resistance. This surrender opens the door to deeper strength and clarity. Cultivating resilience is also about hope. It is the belief that beyond this moment of pain lies a horizon of possibility. Train your mind to hold this hope as a steady flame in the darkest night. Celebrate your resilience in small ways. Every time you choose discomfort over escape, you grow. Every moment you breathe through fear, you deepen your power. Recognize these victories, however small. Remember, discomfort does not last forever, but the strength it builds lasts a lifetime. Your mind, trained to embrace this truth, becomes your greatest ally in the hardest times. Discomfort is the soil in which your courage grows. Water it with persistence and faith, and watch how your spirit blooms into resilience. The more you face discomfort, the more you realize how much power lies in choosing to stay, to learn, and to rise. This is the essence of a winning mind. Visualize your victory, see it before you live it. The mind is a storyteller, and you are the author. The stories you tell yourself shape your reality. When you train your mind to visualize victory, you create a powerful magnet that draws success toward you. Visualization is not wishful thinking. It is the blueprint for your becoming. Close your eyes and see yourself standing tall in your victory. Feel the weight of accomplishment, the warmth of pride, the lightness of joy. Picture every detail, the sounds, the sights, the emotions. The more vivid the vision, the more real it becomes. When your mind rehearses success, it prepares your spirit to recognize opportunities. You begin to notice possibilities that others miss. This mental practice trains your brain to act with confidence and clarity. Visualization also rewires your nervous system. When you imagine positive outcomes, your body responds as if they are happening in real life. This reduces fear and builds courage, making your mind ready to face challenges. The mind that visualizes victory refuses to be defined by past failures or current fears. Instead, it fixes its gaze on what can be, on the dream that waits just beyond struggle. This focus is the compass that guides every step. Each morning, create a mental movie of your day unfolding with success. See yourself handling difficult conversations, overcoming obstacles, and stepping into your power. This daily rehearsal builds momentum that carries you forward. Visualizing your victory is also an act of faith. It is trusting in your potential before the evidence appears. This faith fuels perseverance when the road feels long and the nights feel dark. Your mind will sometimes resist this practice, whispering doubts and fears. When that happens, gently bring it back to the vision. Reminded that what you see in your mind is a seed of what will grow in your life. Surround your visualization with emotion. Feel the pride, the joy, the relief of victory as if it is happening now. Emotion makes the vision magnetic and real, transforming hope into a tangible force. Visualizing victory also sharpens your focus. It clarifies your goals and priorities, helping you say no to distractions and yes to what truly matters. This clarity is a superpower in a chaotic world. Remember, your mind is not just imagining, it is programming your actions, your beliefs, and your identity. The more you see yourself as a winner, the more you embody the qualities of a winner. When obstacles arise, return to your vision. Let it remind you why you started, why you endure, and what you are capable of. Your mental image becomes your anchor and your guide. Training your mind to visualize victory is not about ignoring reality, but transforming it. It is the art of creating a future that honors your highest self. Every great achievement began as a vision in the mind of a dreamer who refused to give up. Let your mind be that dreamer, that architect, that champion. Surround yourself with positivity and purpose. The environment you create around your mind is a garden that either nurtures or depletes your spirit. Surrounding yourself with positivity and purpose is not a luxury, it is a necessity. It is the soil where your mental strength takes root and grows tall. Your mind is sensitive to the energy it absorbs.